Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Milansoccer1313 for box break number 188. It is out of a box of, it's box 8 of 10. Let me just explain a little bit about what's going to happen here tonight for some people that are new. We're going to be opening the box with the serial number up here that you can see, 4621. You have a team, and that team that you have is the team that you're going to get cards from that have the hits. You could get all the cards, or you can get no cards, just depending on how the box opens up. I'm going to just go through the list of names here of the people who got the cards, or got the teams, excuse me, from the bidding. Annie Panera has New York Islanders. San Jose and the Jets go to Chief Monk. Ottawa Senators go to Craig Subru, and St. Louis goes to Craig Subru. Calgary Flames, Carolina go to Doc 13. Edmonton Oilers, New Jersey Devils go to MC Dust, YPG. Washington Capitals go to Fresa 63. Detroit goes to Frost 5984. Anaheim Ducks goes to Jeff Mary. Montreal Canadiens goes to Lehman 68. Arizona goes to Live 0. Pittsburgh Penguins goes to MF Sports 860. Dallas goes to OD Code. Boston goes to PDC 7 Peter. New York goes to Sammy VS Lax. The Jackets, the Lightning, and the Leafs go to Strobit 74. Panthers and Predators go to Super Pens Fan 87. Vancouver goes to TA Water. Buffalo goes to T Shoot 73. The Hawks, the Kings, the Knights, the Wild, the Flyers go to T Cry Bo, and the Avalanche go to Traylaz. Just going to go to the top to start from here. I just want to explain a few things before we get started. We are on cardboard connections here. Just want to explain a few things. The box itself has a number of redemption cards. So we're going to just go through here to show that these cards here, Wild, will be randomized. I have the randomizer open, and we're going to randomize those cards. Here, 1 and 2 go to the Rangers. One goes to the Rangers. 2 goes to LA. Here again, 1 goes to the Rangers, 2 goes to LA. The rest are randomized. Here again, 1 and 2, Rangers, LA. Same here, except when we get to here to retro rookies. All of these amounts are retro. All of these cards are randomized. Again, 1 and 2 will be New York and LA. The rest are randomized except for the retro rookie redemptions, if they are in the box. I am now going to flip over to the webcam. And here we go. So, as advertised, we are opening a serial number. Just get it nice and close. There we go. There it is. As advertised, 24621. And we are going to open up this box. Hopefully there's lots of good hits in here tonight, guys. For those of us joining brand new, thanks for participating. There we go. Hope it's a good box. Lots of fun, hopefully, guys. Sorry about that. There we go. And let's get started. Thanks again for joining tonight. Looking for some big hits, especially if I can actually open the pack. Here we go. And let's see what it looks like here. Oh, our first hit, a Patrick Kane short print red. Getting close there. Congratulations. will not focus, of course. Oh. Patrick Kane, spacer, base, space. I'd have to get my X-Acto knife to get this thing open. Here we go. Base, base. Oh, Artifacts rookie, Martin Kuat. 77 out of 99. Congratulations, Colorado. Spacer, base. Another hit, Artifacts. Ooh, Elias Pettersson, red, out of 194 to 399. Congratulations, Vancouver Canucks. Spacer, base, base. Orange, Brad Marchand out of 75. Congratulations, Boston. Very nice card. Out of 75. Spacer, base, base. Looking for squeezing that card. Redemption. This will be a randomized rookie retro number 6. I will put that aside right here, and that'll be the first card we randomize. Spacer, base, base. Nothing like not being able to get the packs open. Sorry, guys. This one is giving me a little bit of trouble. I just want to be careful when I'm opening them. A gold out of 299, Sean Couturier. Congratulations, Philadelphia. Spacer, base, space. It's nice to get the redemption. We're going to randomize that. See what we get. I'll flip you over to the webcam or to the randomizer in a moment. Got 2 more packs here. An Emerald's coming up. Zach Werenski out of 99. That's 4 out of 99. Congratulations, your Columbus Blue Jackets. Let's see if I get that in there. Spacer. And our last pack here. Another rookie redemption for the Minnesota Wild. Congratulations, Minnesota. Nicely done, Minnesota. Spacer, base, base. I am going to now flip you over to the webcam. Sorry, flip the webcam over to the, there we go. We're going to go to randomizer.org. All the teams are listed here. I'm going to hit it 3 times for your number 6, a rookie retro redemption. Here we go. Once, That's 2. And one more time. That's 3. Tampa Bay. The Tampa Bay Lightning, whoever has the Tampa Bay Lightning will be getting the Retro Rookie Redemption. I wanted to say thank you to everybody. Have a good night, and thanks for joining the break.